Hi there, Joanne Schmallenberger down at Gravoxy with my guest Holly, and today we're going to talk to you about how to assemble your humming mask together. And the humming mask comes in this beautiful little container so you can take it with you, travel with it, okay? We're going to show you all the pieces that come with it and show you how to put it together so it makes it easier for you so you can enjoy your humming experience. So first of all, inside the box we have extra little pads for the comfort of the mask itself, and this is the actual humming mask. So this will go over your forehead. You could show and put it like up to your face so they can see it a little bit. There it goes over your head like that. Good. That will go plug into the base here. There is 2 holes in the back of the base. So you could actually have 2 masks, a husband and wife, and then you have the power switch that the power cord that goes right into the middle, which I will plug in and get that plugged in. Okay, so that's the noise you will hear when it starts up and Holly's putting the mask in. Now, the next part that comes in here is an extra strap that you have an option to put over the head. That's an option. I don't always use it, but that you certainly can do that. Then we have the important nasal vents. These are fabulous. They're different sizes to fit different size noses. You put it into your nose. What it does is expands the canal of the nostrils so that you get more airflow, more oxygen through the body into the nose, and the nasal breathing is so important for the natural production of the nitric oxide. So these are great to just even go on a run with or walk because you're getting more oxygen delivered. Okay, so let's have Holly start to show you how to put the straps on, because that seems to be the difficult part for a lot of people. Go ahead, Holly.
So you're going to get 2 of these small units, 2 of these braces. You can see that there's probably the attachment for the extra band if you want to use it, but really you could just use this as an extra one of these. Velcro, as you can see. What I'm going to do, because I've already done half of it for you, is make sure that your humming mask words are down, that also these are placed downwards. That's the first step too. What we do is we take one of these, like I said, we're going to move this in here like that very easily, and then you can put your little piece in here. You can see how even with fingernails you can get this done. And then we just close that in and you're all set. And then what you're going to do is then take your next piece and bring it through the other side, and you're going to adjust this. So it may just take me a second to adjust it because I have a ponytail in my head, but what you'll do is you move this onto your face, and just be patient with me as I do this because of my ponytail. And you place that onto the cheeks and adjust it in the back here, and then adjust it in the front here for you.
And so you run them on the bones and here, where that stimulates the occipital bone area, and that starts to create that humming and the vibration, which really calms the vagus nerve, which runs through the whole body and into the gut. So that's where you get that sense of relaxation. The body heals with relaxation, and that's why it's important with the nitric oxide to be present, because as we're over 40, we don't produce the nitric oxide. So this is going to be a great tool to help you stay young, feel energetic, and really happy. Keeps you in a good mood. Thanks for watching today. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, you can certainly call us at 508-835-8875, or you can also subscribe below and also check out our website at Gravoxy, Gravoxy, Gravity and Oxygen. So it's gravoxy.com. Thanks again. Thanks, Holly.